Here you go, guys. Frame off, fully restored 65 C10. If you're picky, this is the truck for you guys. Check it out. It speaks for itself. Look at the fit and finish on this thing and the quality. Everything has been redone on it. Paint is a 10. Trim, glass, weather stripping, wheels, tires, four-wheel disc brakes. Look at this interior. Custom interior with the cup holders built in. Crystal clear lens, tilt wheel, air conditioning, as you saw there in the engine compartment. Big block V8. Look at my description, guys, for more detailed information about it. That is excellent. Let me fire it up for you really quick. Oh, sorry. Gotta put it in park. Show truck underneath is beautiful as well. Give me a call or text me 847-848-1850. If you're looking for the best, guys, I think you found it. Runs and drives excellent. You got my number. Thanks for watching MGMClassicCars.com.